Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to do kind of a speed clean of my house and just kind of taking down all of our decorations for Christmas and getting them organized. So up until now I just had them all kind of thrown in a cardboard box in our attic, and I really just want to get them organized into nice labeled bins so that it's easier next year. So I'm going to take you with me as I do this, and let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is turn on my Roomba. This is a Christmas gift and it's really nice because I can kind of do two things at once. So I'm going to go ahead and let that roll around. And then I'm going to go in here to the sunroom and just start breaking down some of these boxes that have just been accumulating in here. There's always tons of recycling after Christmas. So yeah, we've just been throwing it all in the sunroom. So I'm just going to break all these down so I can take them out to the recycling. I found this packing paper in one of the boxes and I decided to go ahead and save that for when I'm packing up like ornaments and breakable stuff. So that was what you saw me carry into the other room. And then I'm just gonna bag up all of this stuff that's not recyclable, is that a word? To actually just throw in the trash can. And Chester just went running after the Roomba. He's not sure what to think of that yet. So these are the plastic bins that I found at Walmart, and then I also have my trusty label maker ready to roll, so I'm ready to get organized. The first thing that I'm going to do is go around to each room in the house, take down all the decorations, and bring them all into the living room so that I can see what all I have. We got a few cute little baby Christmas things this year, so I definitely want to make sure I save those for next year. Okay, so I've got everything down and kind of organized. This stuff over here is more of like the soft Christmas decorations, and then these over here are the more like breakable ones. And then I also have this big box of gift wrap that I've saved, so I want to make sure I save that for next year. And then of course we have our tree. So I'm going to start by putting all of our Christmas tree decorations in the first bin. So I put the Christmas tree skirt down first for kind of like padding, and then I'm just going to take down all of these ornaments and put them in the bin kind of nice and neat. These are the like shatterproof ornaments, so that's why I can kind of put them together like this, but they also make like ornament divider bins if you have more of like the glass breakable ornaments. Please excuse my super cute footwear and just outfit in general on this day. I'm wearing my husband's house slippers and sweats because, you know, pregnancy. And I'm just going to use some of this packing paper that I found earlier to wrap up the more delicate ornaments. Okay, so I got one box down. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next box, and it is going to be some of the bigger like trees, wreaths, stuff like that, and then also the more fragile items, I'm going to pack those up individually and put them in the same bin. I have these little scented pine cones that I like to put out every year, so for those I'm just going to pour them into a big Ziploc bag and put those in the box with everything else. Okay, so all that's left is all of this gift wrap, and then in the bottom of that box I also had some random odds and ends and just little decorative things that I hadn't put out this year that I kind of either didn't like anymore or just for whatever reason, maybe it was broken, I didn't use it. So I'm just gonna organize all of this gift wrap into the bin, and then the things that I didn't use this year that I don't see myself using again, I'm just gonna throw away so that it doesn't collect dust. And last but not least, it's time to take down the Christmas tree. This is what I love about having a smaller artificial Christmas tree like this is it's pretty easy. It just kind of breaks into pieces and then we just smush it up in that Christmas tree box that it came in. I'd like to get a plastic Christmas tree box someday too. That would be a little nicer, but couldn't find one at Walmart. So anyway, then I'm gonna go ahead and sweep up what the Roomba didn't get because the tree was in the way. And there's always just a ton of like glitter and little fake pine needles and stuff laying around. And I'm gonna put this chair back where it used to be because we had to move it into the sunroom to make room for the tree before. And now my living room is back to normal. It's such a nice feeling after Christmas, I think, to get everything kind of back to normal and start fresh. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.